This video is going to feature some amazing hair transformations. We have long to short as well as color changes. So if you are in the mood to see some transformative hairstyles, then get ready. So first up, we have this particular stylist. He is known for doing some amazing haircuts, hair color combinations, and I'm not going to try to pronounce his name because I don't want to say the wrong thing, but check out his Instagram if you do want to see more from him. First up, we have someone with very long hair. So he does a strand test first, and then he grabs the scissors, cuts the hair into what appears to be more of just like a mid-length hairstyle. So obviously she's going to be getting some type of blonde highlights with this. Gorgeous. Absolutely love the way that these highlights turned out. Really brightened up her face and added something to the overall haircut. And I like the fact that her ends are very blunt and all one length. And this stylist does work at the Manure salon. Hope I'm pronouncing that correctly. But you guys have probably all seen Manure's work. He's very talented. I feel like I'm not pronouncing that right, but if you know who I'm talking about, you know who I'm talking about. So next up, looks like we see a bob transformation. So she does end up getting color with this one. So with the color, you would think that that would have been like a copper tone, but it actually ended up being like a very soft bronzy color. Very pretty, very nice cut with this bob. Then moving right along. So she starts off with like shoulder length hair. And I'm going to guess that she's going to get a bob haircut, but we'll see. So the stylist does color the hair. So I guess she didn't cut, if he did cut the hair, we didn't see it. I think he maybe just trimmed it a little bit because it looks like it is the same length. But the hair color is gorgeous, definitely brightened up her face. Nice soft blonde color. So moving on, we are going to see another stylist. This one does amazing color work. I mean, you guys will see in a minute. And he also works at the Manure salon. Once again, I apologize if I'm butchering that name, but he starts things off with a bob transformation. And of course, because I know he does a lot of amazing color work, she's probably going to get some color with this one. So there he is, adding in the foil, as well as the color, of course. Looks like he's lightening up the hair, adding in more color. Ooh, she might be doing some type of red or orangey tone. Sometimes it's hard to tell because the color doesn't look the same way it does when they like put the color on. You won't know what the color actually is until, you know, it's dry and the hair is finished. Oh, you know what? She might be getting a pica color. Yes. This is gorgeous. It's like a nice silver ash blonde platinum shade with a pop there in the front and the bang portion of like a peach neon color. That is gorgeous. I told you guys, this stylist is just amazing when it comes to the color work. Alright, so next up we see someone, she has like a gray pixie. So I'm guessing that she's probably going to be touching up her color with this transformation. So it looks like she might be going platinum. I don't know. Yes, so she did end up going platinum. Nice platinum blonde. Wow, absolutely gorgeous. And that looks so much better on her than the gray did. I think the gray might have aged her just a tad. She has more of a youthfulness with this blonde. Alright, so moving right along, we see someone with very long dark hair. So the stylist is mixing the color up, placing it on the hair with the foil. So it looks like he lightened it up, and then he's probably going to, so she looks like she's doing money piece. So yeah, I was gonna say he's going to put some more color on there. Looks like some type of reddish combo with pink. So she's actually mixing it up. He probably told her the formula. So obviously she's got money piece highlights that she's going to be doing, and peekaboo highlights, peekaboo color going there in the back. So this should be an interesting transformation. Ooh, wow, that is gorgeous. So it's like a very soft pastel-y kind of looks platinum in some lights, but I think it's more so like pink. I think the lighting is kind of throwing off the color, but I think that it is gorgeous. Very unique. Love the contrast between the colors. And this is a very trendy hairstyle at the moment. Alright you guys, I hope you enjoyed checking out these transformations with me. If you did, be sure to give this video a like, and I will see you in the next one.